Hello everyone, welcome to Hegde Art. Today I want to share with you my favorite watercolor art supplies. This video is not sponsored by any brand. Okay, I just simply sharing you this information. I thought it might be helpful for you who is really interested to learn watercolor painting. If you are a kid or a student, I recommend Camel watercolor kits. You can see here they mentioned for students means it's a for student level. The watercolor cakes available in other brand also. They are also pretty good. For example, Dom, Faber-Castell, etc. Student level watercolor tubes also available in the market. This is also really good. Okay, let's talk about artist level watercolors. That is artist watercolor cakes, 18 shades, 24 shades also available. Personally, I like this brand. This price is 220 rupees. It's worth. Super compact and great to use. I highly recommend these products for beginners. Let's talk about Bristow watercolor cakes. It's a traveling kit. It has 42 shades, super vibrant color, but I'm not comfortable with the design to use it. Yes. Now discuss about watercolor tubes. I recently tried this Bristow 24 color watercolor tubes. Honestly, I love with them. I also mentioned Camlin Artist watercolor tubes that are also really good. I'm using it from many years. It's one of my favorite brand. Okay, this is super affordable paint as well. I want to introduce watercolor brush pen sets. It's good for illustration, small doodle designs, calligraphy. The color is really rich and bright. You can use it for your small projects or front page design. Now I am talking about watercolor ink. Ecoline ink set, 5 bottle set. It's a little expensive, but I really enjoy using this. You should try this one. I highly recommend this for watercolor lovers. It's a superb color. I love this Ecoline white ink. I'm using it for highlights. This is the masking fluid I'm using. I won't use it often. Let's talk about the brush for watercolor painting. For beginners, I recommend cheap and best Camel and Faber-Castell brand synthetic brushes. If you want to start watercolor painting or a beginner, you need to buy 6 number round brush and 4 number flat brush and a fine tip brush. Fine tip brush for thin line or detailing work. It's all you can buy online or local market. Otherwise, overall incredible brush for watercolor painting is natural hair brushes. I have these brushes but now it's banned. But different types of natural hair brushes are available in the market. This one is the artist quality synthetic round brush and this is mop brush. It covers large area. I always buy these art supplies from art shop nearby art college. You can buy online also. Choose the brushes depends on the painting work you are doing. For kids or students, you can use ordinary drawing books. It has light grains and good for watercolor also. You can see these paintings. I painted it with Camel Artist watercolor cakes. Okay, now discuss about watercolor paper. This is Bristow cold pressed watercolor paper. It's 25% cotton, 300 GSM. It's really good for beginners, very stiff and textured. This is Chitrapat watercolor pad, 270 GSM, cold pressed, 100% cotton. It has a beautiful texture. I highly recommend this product. You can buy 450 GSM paper also. It's available in India. This is my favorite paper and good water absorbent. I want to show you this one. It's a Bristol hot press watercolor paper. Paper is smooth and good for illustrations, designs, doodles, etc. I want to show you the difference between the hot press paper and the cold press paper. One is smooth and this one is textured and water absorbent. You can try other brand also, Canson and Archie's watercolor paper. Okay. Next is watercolor palette. I am using simple plastic container for my work. This is foldable watercolor palette. I am using it for big painting. We need a spray bottle to wet the color and paper, tissue paper to take off the extra water in the painting. Okay. I thought it might be useful for you guys. If you like this video, please share, like and subscribe my channel. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.